Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to try out this Jayda Wayda hairstyle on a low budget. So if this is what you're up for, why not stick around and keep on watching. So yeah, I've been quite scarce on my channel, just posting regular hairstyles videos. Reasons because a mom of two now. I recently just had my second baby, so if you're a mom, you understand how it is, how the schedules can actually be very tight. So anyways, my front section of my hair started shedding, reasons why I said I just had my second baby. I experienced this when I had my first baby, and then later on my front section started growing. But anyways, if you have remedies on how to regain your front hair, let me know in the comment section. Share your experience so that we can all learn. So anyways, I wanted to try out this Jayda hair on a low budget regardless of how my front hair is. So I decided to order a headband wig. So I'm gonna be showing you the I said headband wig, sorry guys, half wig. So I'm gonna be showing you the hair in a bit. So guys, the hair I got is on a low budget. It is not 100% human hair. So anyways, I started off with parting my hair before cornrowing it. So just keep on watching guys and see how I did this. So my cornrows is all done. I'm gonna be doing the back section, and this is how it's looking like. I did 4 cornrows at the back, connecting the front cornrows to the back one. And yeah, this is the half wig, and yes, I'm just going to place this on my head in a bit. So this is how the hair is looking like, and yeah, it comes with 2 combs in the front and a drawstring at the back, just has a half wig ears. So let's move on to trying out this hair. I am super excited, I can't wait. Anyways, placing the combs on the cornrows of the front hair and adjusting the back, and doing the drawstring also. And yeah, I feel like this came out looking great. You can also use your headband to, you know, style this differently. This is how the half wig is. Beautiful. You can do a half up and a half down. This came out looking great. I didn't bother to do the my edges because of the sheddings at my front hair. So to maintain this, because it's not 100% human hair, you can try your oil serum to just, you know, rub it through on the hair. And yeah, this is how it's looking. Beautiful, so lovely, and all of that. So if you want the link to this hair, I'll be dropping it in my description on the direct contact on how to order this. Anyways, this came out looking very beautiful, and I feel like you guys should try it out. And yeah, this is very nice. You can style this differently, the side, the half up, half down. Anyways, this is beautiful. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. Thank you guys for watching.